Hello, good day, wonderful people. Welcome to my live stream. So today we want to trade gold USD. So I've already drawn some of my analysis and patterns for this trade. So currently we have a support zone here, which I have marked. So I'm looking out for a possible breakout, then I sell a little bit. So but today we are actually targeting NFP news. So I'm selling at this time, just placing a little sell. We are targeting NFP today, so we want to see how the result goes and what should be the possible movement. So I'm also dropping this video to show you guys how I trade my new session, especially NFP, unemployment claim and all that. So I have sell already, so I've already drawn some arrows showing the way downward. So if there's a breakout, I'm looking out for a sell. You understand? So there's a double bottom here, you can see. So the double bottom has already shown a breakout there. So that is why I'm looking out to sell at this moment, even if it's just a little sell scalp. Okay. So before the news, so currently this is about 1:22 p.m. So we have news at 1:30. The NFP news at 1:30. So from the results, we'll probably know the movement. So I'm in sell already, as you can see. So it's going down a little. I'm scalping for this trade. So today I want to show you guys how I trade NFP news. You understand? So let's just wait, scalp at the moment till the news session. Okay, so we'll wait for the breakout. I'm still selling. I have entered just two layers. So I'm just waiting. I want to see the movement. I'm hoping it breaks completely and fall down to maybe 2292. Yes, 2292 around that zone. Then we can secure our profit. Okay. As you can see, it's still going down. Let's just wait for it. So the NFP news, how do we trade NFP news? Let me explain before we secure the scalping profit. So mostly from the results. So if we have a negative result, it shows there will be a movement up. You understand? So if it's positive, it shows a movement downward. You understand? So currently now we are in profit for this sell. You can see we have a breakout from that pattern, the double bottom pattern. So we are expecting it to go to fall a bit low. So I'm in profit now. I'm in profit right now. So I have a group where I also trade send signal. So I already placed sell on signal on that group already. So as you can see, it's going down. We are making profit, $120 for this trade. Yeah, as I said earlier, it's just cap because of the news. So we still have some few more minutes to the news. So it's going accurately well, you can see. So that is why it's always good when you are trading, you should draw your support zone, your resistance. So you try and find out when there's a break in your pattern. This is a W pattern, so there was a breakout. Okay, you can see then it's already falling. So how many minutes we have? 6 more minutes to the news, so to NFP news. So I will try and be securing little by little. I will secure because I know the news. When it's time for the news, it just goes somewhere else based on the results. You understand? So for this trade, this is S trade. So if you want to join my Telegram group, just leave a comment below. I'll send the link to you, then you can join. Okay, this is my first one of my first new YouTube videos. So I'm actually selling. You can see my selling stop loss is 2309. You understand? 2309. But when the news comes, it's going to break 2309. This is just for this particular one, okay, this particular trade. But if the news comes, it's going to break 2301 and keep going higher. So I'm expecting a negative, result. So we'll be having a bullish movement. You understand? So that is what I'm waiting for. So I will start securing. I've made about $117 for this trade. So all we need to do is just wait patiently for it. So if you've not liked the video, just like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping some of my analysis, my strategies, and also training videos. And also we'll be trading live. So all I need to do is just make sure I have enough subscribers so we can start trading live. So I want to trade live on YouTube, but I need subscribers. I need everyone to subscribe so that we'll start trading live. Okay. So guys, it's trying to retrace back up. It's just a scalp, as I said, because there was a breakout. So we have how many minutes to the news? We have few minutes to the news, right? So let's just let's wait. I'm trying to break even. Okay, so that because I know the retracement might happen anytime because of the NFP news. So why I set my break even, it's good because of when you have news, you are safer. You understand? You're safer. You don't take risks. So this is where you put your stop loss. If you want to break even, you actually put your break even where your stop loss will be in profit. Okay, so you modify your order. Okay, you go to stop loss. Okay, you see stop loss, then you type the number you want to place there. So I'm putting my stop loss at 2297. Okay, then I'll click modify. You understand? So I'll click modify for this one. So if it doesn't fall, you understand, we just we know we are still safe. You understand? So I will set my stop loss for the other one too. Set my stop loss for the other one. That's okay. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for the move. See, there's already a breakout, so it has already shown a possible movement downward. You understand? So what I'm actually seeing is that if the result becomes negative and it's moving up, the NFP news, people will be selling. I think this is a method to lure sellers into this trade. So everybody will be thinking, okay, it's going to sell at this moment, but I think based on the result, you understand, so I'm expecting a bull movement. So let's wait for the news. I've already said broke even, so if it does go up like I anticipated, fine. But if it doesn't, I've closed some trade and said break even. Okay, let's wait for the moves. 1 minute to the news. 1 minute to the news. This is a weak candle, so probably a reversal candle, so we should be expecting boom up. And the movement, the breaking structure can be actually forced. You understand? So let's see. It's gonna go up. Cancel the stop loss. This 2309 is not valid anymore. Okay, 2309 is not valid anymore. So let's wait for the move up. So how many? We have few seconds left. We have few seconds left. So I placed on the sell, but that should be wrong. It's gonna fall anyway. I'm just taking this is a risk. Okay, this is a fix. I think it's gonna go up, but let's wait. My real account, you can see, is the one that I have not placed anything. Wow. Okay, so now we'll look for the resistance, the top resistance zone. So it will keep flying. The NFP is going up. Okay, I think the result is negative, so that is why. So it has, let's see if it broke out of this one. Let's wait. Did it break out? Just watch closely. Don't enter any trade now. Okay, don't enter any trade now. Just wait. Don't enter any trade. Wait, let's see if it's gonna break out. Just wait for it. Don't enter any trade now. Just wait. If you I've not entered any trade. Okay, I'm waiting to see if it's gonna break out to 231. It seems it's not gonna break out. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay. Let's now wait for the retest. Looks like it didn't break out. Let's wait for the retest. Then we'll start entering. Hold on, guys. Let's wait for the retest. Okay, so you can see if it retests the same zone again and start falling, then we'll take our sell. So we can now start selling. It respected the zone, so we can now start selling. It's going to still retest. Hold on. Okay, we can start selling. Just hold on. To sell at least to 2310. Yeah, so we still have 2310 is still built way down. So let's wait. We can still layer more. I think it's retesting now. If you're looking at this from a lower time frame, you'll see it's retesting. Yeah. Just let's hold. They already respected that zone, so that's amazing. Yeah. You can see. So we are heading to our TP1. It's going to, let's see, let it touch that zone, our TP1, then go back up again. Okay, now you can secure some if you want, but I'm still holding. You can secure some. Okay, I'm closing the lows. Okay, just wait for the downpour. Okay, just wait for the downpour. Yeah, we are still waiting. This is actually amazing. This is real money. 400 and this 300. Okay, I think we are negative. Okay. Now you can see this is how to enter. Now, I took a risk by entering the first time. I'm supposed to wait for it to retest. Now it's retesting. You can see now there's a probability of a breakout here. You understand? So if it breaks out of this structure, we'll know that our stop loss is way upper. You understand? So, well, it respected the zone. You can see the candle. It respected the zone and it's going back down now. It did not break. It actually respected the zone. So let's wait for it. Assuming it broke out from this pink zone that I marked, you understand? Then we know it's going up then to the top zone. Okay, to the top zone. So if you want to sell now, I'll put my sell signal for you guys around this point, and stop loss should be around 2329. You understand? Stop loss should be around 2329. So if you want to trade this kind of NFP, what I do personally for my own analysis, I wait for the breakout. Okay, I wait for the structure to break. If it's going up, I wait for it to go up. Then after it has gone up, I wait for the retest before I enter. Okay, you can see it came back down, went up to test that same zone. That resistance that was formed from the top is going back to test there. You understand? If it respect that same resistance, that means we'll be having a downpour to the new support that was formed down below. You understand? So wait, let me explain it further. Just watch it as it comes down. Okay, we are still having the movement up. So this new candle has to be bearish. You understand? If this new candle is bullish and breaks up, that means this setup is invalid. Yeah, so we'll have to wait another zone for the possible sell. So let's wait for it. No rush. We are still waiting to see if it's going to. If it breaks, that means this signal has failed. But our stop loss is way upper, so this signal is 218 to 220, 218, 219, 220, 221, 22, 23, 24. Then stop loss is 228, 2328. Okay, now if I wanted to enter this trade like with small account, I'm just gonna wait for the retest. I'm not gonna rush in the first time when it fell. I'm going to wait now. This is the best time now. You understand? This is the best time when I see respecting. So I'm going to put my sell signal for you guys now, so you understand. You understand what I meant. What I mean. So let's put sell at 218, 2318 rather, to 23, around 2324. But I'm already itself. Understand? I'm trying to just write it down so some of you will know where 222. Sorry, this is a mistake. It should be 2318 to 2324. 2326 is the stop loss. Okay, so there's no time. I'm trying to make sure. Okay, guys, just hold on, guys. We're having a retracement back down. You can see the profit is coming in. Now let's see if we are going to break this zone. You see this part of the zone is the support zone, the resistance zone that was broken. So this zone can possibly form a support. Okay, so you can see I'm already in 1,400. So I'm going to try and secure some of this profit because I know that this place is a support zone that is formed. So you should also respect the zone and go up again. Let me see if I can quickly close. I have a port. Wi-Fi is a bit slow, so I'm gonna try and close. I think I've closed some, right? So let me close more. When you are trading, it's always advisable that you secure some of, even you have many layers, it's better you secure some of the entry so that you can re-enter again if it goes back to the same zone where you took it, where you had it in the first place. So we're having a possible retracement from here. So when you are trading NFP news, okay, when you are trading NFP news, this is how you do it. Wait for the breakout to happen. If it's buying, if it's selling, if the result is positive or is negative, wait for it to move. Once it starts moving, either bullish or bearish, just find the resistance that was formed. Wait for it to retest the zone. Okay, it doesn't have to retest the top zone like this one. Wait for it to retest that same zone before you can start selling. If it respects the same resistance that was formed, 10 or 20 pieces towards that zone, you can start selling. Okay, now when you sell, the stop loss that was broken should be your first TP1, which is this pink zone that is below. The first pink zone, okay, where I started securing, should be your first TP. Then the rest you can break even for the possible breakout downward. So now I'm hoping to see if it's going to retest back up to break out, or it's going to respect this same zone it's already respecting. Let's see if it's going to go up to break, or it's going to break from this lower support zone that was broken to form this lower resistance zone that was broken to form support zone. If it resist, so this place now was a former resistance, so the news breakout to form a support. Now you can see it's respecting the same support zone to go up to the resistance zone. You understand? So that is what so I'll place break even. I've secured about $1,500, so I'm just going to wait with this one with PE. Okay, so to see what's going to happen. So let's just see what is going to happen. If it will keep going down, or if it go up to retest the same zone. It didn't even go up to that same zone. It's already coming back down. Probably maybe wants to break these supports. So let's wait for it. If you want to even enter more layers, you have to just wait for the breakout here. Once it breaks out of that place, move a bit lower and retest then you can enter more cells, which I did. So I'm going to be looking at taking more cells. Okay, I'm looking at it breaking out. So I'm looking at taking more cells. Why am I taking more cells? Because it's going to break out. Okay, so let's just wait and see if it breaks out. Then if it breaks out, we enter more cells. I was hoping that it was going to go up to the top resistance that was formed, but it didn't get to that zone. So let's wait for the breakout. If it breaks out from this support here, then we can enter more sell. Okay, so this is it. It's close. Okay, it's close. I think it's gonna break out. Let's wait for the breakout. Okay, it has broken. This is absolutely amazing. So I'm entering more sell now. It's still respecting though. We are still in zone. So let's wait for now. But it has broken, so we just have to wait. We have to wait now, okay? Because we know it has already broken from that support that was formed. So it might be a fake breakout. So I'm not going to layer too much, and I won't depend on this trade because it might be a fake breakout. Okay. I entered earlier because I have a profit of $200 from the top, so I'm going to close some of them. So it's best not to enter too many lots. It's best to play safe. So 2 is better, and I know it has broken out, so I'm expecting it to complete breakout and keep falling. So this is what I'm saying. The first resistance was respected. This one that broke out to form support also touched the zone, tested up and started coming down now, but there was a breakout which made me to sell. Okay, now I'm getting worried because I don't want to experience market manipulation where there's a breakout, then it start going up. This happens a lot. So it's just better you just leave if it happens. Okay, but let's wait. Okay, now this is the wait a bit. Just wait a bit. I'll tell you when to enter. When we are broken completely from this pink zone, we can start entering because it has confirmed that the breakout was sure. Because if we break out from there, the movement will be low to the next pink zone, to the blue zone rather. So I think from the blue zone, that's where we start looking for buy. From that blue zone, that is where we start looking for buy. Why? Because that was the first breakout. Okay, that was the first breakout. So we are looking at the support zone should be actually from there. You understand? If it wants to continue. Wow, it's going down. Wow. Well played, good. Well done. Wow. Why is this trade view faster than this one? Did you observe it? Let's see. No, let's keep watching. I think we have gotten to the support TP zone now. You can see. So I have just 2 layers. So profit still 2 layers. So let's see if it's going to break this support. If it breaks this zone, that means to keep going lower and lower. So this is how I trade my NFP news. I believe you understand. So it's better to wait for the news to play out most times than you look at the result. If the result is negative, you understand, you expect the bullish movement, you understand, then you find the possible resistance zone which was respected and retested, then you enter. Then you check the next zone that was broken out, if it's going to respect or not. If it doesn't respect, you understand, you close. If you respect, you keep selling. You understand? Then afterwards, you look for the possible buy zone. The possible buy zone is actually from where we had the first breakout. You understand? And we had the first breakout in 2297 to 300. So that was where we had the first breakout. So we'll look out again for the same pattern. If there's a breakout from 2300 to 2397, then we should know that there is still more possible sell downward. But if it respects, for me personally, I think it's going to respect, so I'll start buying. Okay, I'll start looking at buying from here. So how do you know it's going to respect first? You first check the movement from the zone, this blue zone. You check very well. You make sure it retests the zone. You understand? It goes up, retests the zone, then start going up. Then when it starts to test the zone the second time, you see the candlestick showing the normal reddish and the bluish one. Then you start buying on a lower time frame. Actually, you check. Okay, so that is it. The fact that, but I'm expecting it to still maybe go a little bit bullish to respect, then go to 2308, respect the zone, then start falling. You understand? But if it breaks 2308, that means it's going up again. You understand? So I'm going to be buying from here. I'm already in buys. I took like two buys. Okay, that's why I have some negative values. I took already 2 buys. So I'm just waiting for it to respect the zone. It's actually amazing. So if you I want you guys to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can go live. Instead of making these videos, I'll just go live and trade live on this channel, so you guys can be able to follow up, get accurate entries, and just trade with me and also make profits. Right, don't forget to subscribe. I'll just wait for the movement up, then I'll end this video. I want to just show you guys how I trade my new session and how I make profit. So I'm going to explain in another video how to read the news and how to know the possible movement. Okay, maybe another video I will still show you guys how to enter. From this one I showed you guys how to trade NFP. Okay, he's buying now, he's retracing back up. You understand? So I've showed you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share to your friend, so that we start doing more of this on this channel. Okay, this is S Trade. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and let's secure the buy profit. Okay, actually I trade live on TikTok. You can just check me on TikTok, S Trade Broker on TikTok. You see most of our live analysis and entries and signals. Okay, and if you want to contact me, you can also drop a message. I'll reply you personally. I'll make sure the message is coming from me. Bye.